Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will take a look at class variables and class methods along with something called static methods. So far, we have seen instance variables that belong to each object. But sometimes you want a variable that is shared among all instances of a class. That's where class variables come in. Example: class employee, company equals say ABC Corp. This is a class variable. This company variable is shared across all instances. E1 equals employee, print E1 dot company. It's ABC Corp. Now let's look at class methods. These are methods that work with the class, not the instance. Class employee, company, ABC Corp. Next, we have a decorator, at class method. We are creating a function set company, cls, name, cls.company equals name. Using the class method decorator, the method receives the class as the first argument, not the object. We also have static methods which don't depend on class or instance. Here is an example. At static method, greet function, print hello. You can use them for utility functions related to the class, but that don't need access to data from the class or object. These tools allow you to design flexible, powerful class structures with shared data and functionality.